Hello students, so today we will start solving the more questions of exercise 5.2. So today's first question is, if third term of an arithmetic progression is 12 and 50th term is 106, obtain its 29th term. Here one condition is given that the number of term you have given, that the third term and 12th term, two terms are given to you and you have to find 29th term. So for this, as we know that the general formula or general equation is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a n. Means this is the formula which we are using for the solution. And now this formula is used, but one condition is given, that is third term. So third term of AP, third term is A3, third term means A3, and the A3 is A plus 2D, as we have find that A is the first term, A1 is the second term, A2 is the third term, this is the first term, A plus D is the second term, A plus 2D is the third term. So this is third term A3, A plus 2D. This is the first equation, and the value of third term is given, that is 12. So this equation becomes A plus 2D is equal to 12. This is your first equation. Now 50th term is given. 50th term means A50. So A50 will be A plus 49D, and A50 is value given, that is 106, and so it will become A50 is equal to, A50 means A plus 49D will be equal to 106. This will be your second equation. Now we will solve these two equations on subtracting equation first from equation second. From this equation you have to subtract this. So let's write A plus 49D minus A plus 2D and 106 minus 12. Open it. A plus 49D minus A minus 2D equal to 94. 106 minus 12 is 94. Here A and A will be cancelled because one is positive and one is negative. 49D minus 2D will be 47. D equal to 94. So D will be 94 upon 47, that is 2. Means the value of D we got here, that is 2. And now we will find the value of A. So how we can find the value of A? Value of A. You can use this value of D in any equation, either in first or in second. We are using this value of D in equation first. Putting D equal to 2 in equation first. So A plus 2 and 2 equal to 12, A plus 4 equal to 12, A equal to 12 minus 4 means A equal to 8. So value of A is 8 and value of D is 2. And as we know that for solving this question we need only value of D and A. Here we got the value of D and A, and now the value of N, it is already given, that is 29. So 29th term, A29 is equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D, means A, value of A is 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 30 and D is 2. So A means 8 plus 30 into 2 is 60, so this will be 68. Means, sorry, here 29 minus 1, wait, one mistake I have done. This is 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 28 and into 2. So 8 plus 28 into 2 is 56 and 56 plus 8 is 64. So this is your answer. Means the value of 29th term of the AP will be 64. So this is your answer. So the next question of this video is, see, obtain the 20th term of AP 3, 8, 13, 2, 5, 3 from the last. Means the given AP is this and you have to find the 20th term of this AP from the last. Means if we come from the back side of this AP or of this series, then which term will be at the place of 20? For this we have to find the last term from the 20th term from the last. So before start solution of this question, I want to give you the one formula which is used. See, nth term from the last. If we are solving this type of question, the particular formula is there. See, last term plus n minus 1 into minus d. The d will be negative here. So the formula, finally the formula will become L minus n minus 1 into d. N is the number of terms, d is the common difference and L is the term which is given at last. Means the last term which is given in the AP, that will be the value of L. So now see the solution. See, first given AP. Given AP is 3, 8, 13 and now 253 is the last term which is given here. Now the same thing, first value is A, sorry, A we don't need here, so no need to find A. L is given, that is 253. D means common difference, so D will be A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 means 8 minus 3 will be 5. Now we will use this formula. Now L minus n minus 1 into D. The value of L is 253 minus the value of n. The value of n is 20 minus 1 and D is 5. The value of n is 20 because 20th term we have to find. So value of n is 20. Now 253 minus 20 minus 1 will be 19 into 5. 253 minus 19 5s are 95 and 253 minus 95 is 158. So this is your answer. So the last term of given AP is 158. This is your final answer. So for solving this question only, means if in any question it last term is told to find you, then only you have to use this formula. In other cases the same formula you will use, that is an is equal to n minus 1 a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the different question which we have solved just now. So that's it for the today, and more questions we will solve afterwards. Thank you.